Namaskar, this is Vikas, your host, and you are watching your YouTube channel TechVic Talk. Today's we are with a new digital item, that is tablet from Motorola. I got it from Amazon yesterday, so now I'm going to unbox it. So as you can see, the package the packing of the Amazon is always fine as usual, and now unbox it and let's see what is the good with it. So unbox it. Now we have to use the scissor to unbox it, and while using the scissor, please it's very, while using the scissor, you should always be aware the disadvantage of the scissor, and you should use it very carefully. Otherwise it may harm your body. So as you can see, now I am with new tablet. It is not the tablet, it is the keyboard with the tablet. Now this is the tablet. This is the tablet, as we can see. So now let's move in and find what is here. That is the, you can see the bill. That is the bill. I got it from Amazon for rupees 22,700 something. Okay, and actually that is a combo with keyboard, and the tablet is from Motorola G70 LTE. So first I will talk about the Motorola G70 tablet, and so let me keep the box away, and that is bill, so I should keep it away. So and that is, you can see the keyboard, very good. So first unbox the Motorola tablet G70. Now packing of the tablet is good, and let's see the cover page and the detail of the tablet. Detail of the tablet written on the back side of the tablet. So product number, model, as I explained. Screen size is 27.94 centimeter, and pack contains tablet 1, adapter 1, USB cable 1, warranty and quick start guide. Okay, that is a LTE. LTE means we can use the SIM to connect. We don't need to connect with Wi-Fi only. So there is a tray of SIM inside the tablet, so which is explained as well here. So input voltage is 100 to 240 voltage AC, and the maximum retail price is 35,000 rupees, but I got it within the offer. So let's move it. As you can see, the call, okay, we can call it, I think. So it contains the 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and contains the CPU MediaTek. Okay, the CPU MediaTek is used. Hello, G90T tablet. Okay, display size I told you earlier, and 2000 into 1200 IPS, and VLAN used to connect the VLAN is used to connect from the Wi-Fi, and OS Android 11 is used in tablet. And battery is of 7700 mAh mega home, and the scent, okay, and lot of details are there. Okay, once, so I'm not going to explain each and all thing, so without wasting the time, unbox it. So let's start from here. You can see the packing of the tablet is very good, and it is not torn from anywhere. Wow, fantastic. Yes, that is. So as you can see, wow. So unbox it without wasting the time. Oh. Wow, fabulous. Wow, that is the fantastic item from Motorola. Wow, that is screen guard, temporary screen guard, because lot of item while shipping may harm the screen and the body of the items, so the company provides a, wow, fantastic. That is the camera, you can see. You can see, wow. Quad speaker is there, 1 2, three, 4. सही है, so wow, fantastic. And let's move further. What are more item with this packing? as I told. That's the adapter of charging cord. These are the manual, and it is a pin to get the tray of the SIM out. I think nothing else. It is only the packing. So it is the tablet from Motorola, and the rest of the thing we will explain after using it. So that's all for now for the tablet. Now let's move to the other item. The second item which I got with it. So let's pack it temporarily, and I should keep it away. Now it's time to unbox the keyboard. Where should I cut it from? Okay, I think there is a no. Yeah, that is the ceiling. The keyboard, yeah. Let me explain about something. The keyboard, that is the detachable keyboard from Logitech and model K480, multi-purpose keyboard. Feature the 24-month battery life, 10-meter wireless range, on off power switch, battery indicator light. There's what you need. These are explained over here. A lot of things you can see when you purchase it. Now unbox it. Look wise, very good. You can use it with the Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android as well. So multi-purpose keyboard from the Logitech. Logitech always a well-known company which provides very good quality at reasonable price. Wow, very nice. There is a manual of the Logitech keyboard, so I should keep away. Wow, fantastic keyboard. That is the keyboard. Sorry. Yes. Now I'm going to connect. I'm going to show you how it is used with the tablet. That is a tablet. We should put it over here, and just like a laptop we can use it. That is. Now I try to on the tablet.
Hello, Moto.
Wow. Actually, I have not inserted any SIM, and nor the I don't have right now the Wi-Fi, so I'm not able to connect it with the Wi-Fi. But that's all for now, and rest of the thing I will explain in the next video. So keep watching our YouTube channel TechWeek Talk, and thanks for watching. And like, if you like my video, then subscribe it, share it, and don't forget to watch the next video. Thank you, thanks for watching once again.